welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the "What dog are you" effect on a TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So apparently this effect will guess what kind of dog you are based on your appearance. So let me show you how to use it. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search at the top right and search for "What dog are you?" It should appear under effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now browse through how others have used this effect. If you don't see this, then it means it's still not available for you yet. As you can see, you'll see some pictures of dogs above your head. You'll then stop at a dog and your face will turn into that. When you're ready, tap on Use this effect. Now press the record button and you should see the photos of dogs appearing above your head. Once it chooses a picture, it'll then turn your face into that dog. And that is how to use the "What dog are you" effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.